Good day everyone. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to use WordWall, interactive learning platform that help teacher create fun, engaging activity for student. WordWall can use for quizzes, matching game, word searches, random well, and many more. First, open your browser such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. In the search bar, type a www.wordwall.net. As you can see, this is a home page of WordWall. To start using WordWall, we need to create an account. At the top right of the corner of the screen, click the sign up button. You can sign up using Google account, Microsoft account, or email address. For this demonstration, I will use my Google account. This is the WordWall dashboard. Here, we can see the difference such as creative activity, community activity, my activity, my result. Now, let us create a simple activity. Click the Create Activity button. WordWall show different templates just as a quiz, matching pair, random well, word search, true or false. For this demonstration, I will choose group sort. Now, we need to enter the title of our activity. Then, let's start with a group 1. As you can see, edit here if you want to give each group a name. So, basta na kay gusto ibot ang pangalan, so pwede ra nimo dribot nga no kay para dili pud sila malibog ang mga bata kung unsa sila nga grupo. And we start. WordWall will automatically generate interactive activity. So as you can see, this is a quiz is now ready to use. So mo ni ang naong kung magdula ng mga bata, so kuan lang number tapos ipot bitaw sa group 1, panya group 2. Nani ra ka simple ang dula. Another, if you want to change the background, so click lang nimo siya. So diri nimo makita kung mag-change sa bitang background na magani ha. So muna siya ang naong sa ma-change ng background. So walay nagbago no. Ang nabago lang ang background para pod ma-attract ang mga bata. Tapos ang game same ra gyapon. Just click the share button. There are two options. The first is for other teacher and the second is for my student. When you make it public, you're making resources for other teacher, and then you allow other teacher to play. They can build upon your work or they can edit what you have done. Only teacher, those who have account on WordWall, can edit it. WordWall will provide a link, QR code, or embedding option. You can send through Google Classroom, Messenger, email, or learning management system. After student complete the activity, a teacher can check their score. Go to the result section. Here, you can monitor student name, scores, accuracy, completion time. This helps teacher evaluate student understand and performance. So, WordWall will automatically generate the